Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created these super cute holiday toilet paper. I mean, it is what it is. The holidays is coming up. You know, we go straight from Halloween to Christmas. So yeah, I didn't use anything super expensive. This was if you do sublimation already, then this is just, it's pretty easy to do. These make super cute gifts. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I have nothing fancy here. This is just the toilet paper that I purchased from Dollar Tree, as well as the parchment paper that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I've got my heat press on 400 and I'm going to heat it for 60 seconds. Let's hope it doesn't burn. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright you guys, here are my images printed out. Make sure when you're doing sublimation that you mirror the images. They're supposed to be backwards, and keep in mind that when you print it out, it's not going to be as the color isn't going to be as vibrant. The color comes once you press it, you know, like from the heat. So I've also cut my 2 pieces of parchment paper. Each layer is going to go, like the toilet paper is going to go in between, and then I'm going to put this on top. So you guys, wish me luck. I also have some paper towels. I'm going to try some paper towels out and see how that goes. I mean, hey, never hurts to try, right? So I'm going to cut these out and get these ready. And just because this is a craft that I haven't done before, I'm just going to do one sheet at a time to see, you know, how the paper acts, if it scorches. I'm also going to tear off like this, you know, don't want that. That's an ugly piece of toilet paper, ugly. Okay, so I'm so nervous, y'all, so nervous. So all right, here we go. I hope it turns out right. I mean, I don't see why it shouldn't, but to me 60 seconds just on some little thin toilet paper seems like a lot. And I don't, shoot, I daggone sure don't want to put no tape on this. Alright, 60 seconds on the clock, counting down. I'll see you guys in 60 seconds. Alright you guys, my 60 seconds is up. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Okay, well, let's look at the toilet paper. It did not scorch. And it actually did go on there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this popping then. Look at that. Wait, I'm trying to put it in the camera. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, these are the last ones right here. Trying to get it to. Now I will say the ones where I did like 2, they are kind of blurry compared to when I just did it by the single. So I think if I was to do this next time, I would just do 1 sheet at a time, because since we aren't okay, as I was saying, because you guys know, usually when we do sublimation, we're doing images, we use the heat tape to tape our image down. But because this is like toilet paper, and that tape, I don't know if it'll stick, I don't know if it won't. I was not about to test it out. So I did not tape it down, so I believe that's why like the words were blurry, like it moved a little bit, it shifted. But as you can see, when I did it one by one, it was on point, it was okay. So moving on to packaging. I have some 8x10 little cellophane sheets. I can put the link in the description box. I hope this gonna fit. Shoot, it should. No, you can't mess up my toilet paper. Come on. Alright, there we go. Alright, as you can see, it is in there. We are able to close it up. I'm going to grab me some rubber bands and I'll be right back. Alright, and now that I got the rubber band on the top, only thing I'm going to do is just try on some tulle. Usually I do crochet with the tulle, but you know what? I don't know. Wasn't feeling like it. Not today. Just didn't feel like it. You know, sometimes you feel like going the extra mile, sometimes you don't. Oh no, not go. Go was for the other one. But I did not like how the other one turned out, so I'll probably have to do that one again. Which way do you want me to start? Right here? Alright, let me do some green. I'm going to finish this up and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. These are super cute and can be given out as gifts, even used for decoration in your house for the holidays. Or not even just for the holidays. Shoot, you could do any, like I said, you could do even a different thing. Make something that matches your bathroom. You know, set it on the back of the toilet. And you all good to go. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.